Alright, so you're thinking about grabbing your next ROM from Romsfun. But the big question is, are you actually safe? Or are you about to walk into a digital minefield? Let's break it down. As of 2026, Romsfun isn't exactly a scam. When you click download, you'll usually get the file you asked for. But there's a catch. The site floods you with pop-ups and sketchy ads. Some even try to scare you with fake virus warnings. That's a major red flag. And about those files? Most are legit, but people have reported corrupted downloads, especially with .cia files for the 3DS. Not fun if you've waited forever just to get a broken archive. If you're still feeling brave and want to use Romsfun, here's how to stay as safe as possible. First, slap on a good ad blocker. uBlock Origin is your friend. Next, double-check those file extensions. You want zip, .7z, .rar, or console formats like .3ds and .gba. If you see a .xe or .msi, run away. Seriously. And don't skip the antivirus scan. Even Windows Defender is better than nothing. For the ultra-cautious, use a tool like WinMD5 to check your file's hash and make sure it hasn't been tampered with. But honestly, if you want less stress, there are better alternatives. The ROM Depot is super clean. No annoying ads. Gamulator's got a great library for retro consoles. And if you're into 3DS games, HShop is where it's at for legit content. So, is Romsfun legit? Technically yes, but the risks might outweigh the reward. Want a comparison between these sites? Drop a comment below and I'll make it happen.